Maxwell Boltzmann distribution of molecular velocity. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of molecular velocity. Now see, there are large number of molecules are present in a gas. So many molecules are present in a gas. The velocities of molecules are different. There may be possibility of a group of molecules possess a particular velocity. Group of molecules. Suppose we are taking 100 molecules. Out of 100 molecules, the number of molecules possessing zero velocity is 0 because all the molecules are in motion. All the molecules are in motion. So the number of molecules possessing zero velocity is 0. That means no molecule is at a zero velocity. And the number of molecules possessing maximum velocity, out of 100 molecules, the maximum velocity, number of molecules possessing maximum velocity will be less. Maybe 1, 2, 3 or 5. Suppose out of 100 molecules, the number of molecules possessing velocity 0. The number of molecules velocity. So as velocity increases, suppose 5 number of molecules possessing 10 meter per second. Suppose 15 number of molecules possessing 20 meter per second. So as velocity increases, the number of molecules will increase. At a particular velocity, suppose 50 kilometer per second, 50 meter per second. Suppose 40 molecules, maximum molecules possessing 50 meter per second velocity. 40 molecules possess 50 meter per second maximum. Or further increase in velocity, suppose velocity increases to 60 meter per second, then number of molecules will decrease, suppose 30 or 25. 70 meter per second, suppose 70 meter per second, 10 molecules. 90 meter per second, highest velocity of 5 molecules. In any, suppose in a competition, running race competition, suppose 100 students are running. Suppose somebody asked you how many students at a zero velocity. So zero velocity means static. No student, no ball. Similarly, the number of molecules possessing zero velocity is 0 because all the molecules are in motion. As the velocity increases, suppose 10 meter per second, number of molecules will increase. 15 meter per second, the number of molecules will increase. As the velocity increases, the number of molecules will increase. But at a particular velocity, the number of molecules will be maximum. The number of molecules will be maximum. That is most probable velocity. You can present the number of molecules as a fraction of molecules, delta n by n. Delta n by n means out of 100 molecules, n molecules, how many molecules possess zero velocity? 0. So that can be represented as 0 by 100 means out of 100, 0 molecules possess zero velocity. 5 by 100 means out of 100 molecules, 5 molecules possess 10 meter per second. Then 10 by 100 means out of 100 molecules, 10 molecules possess 15 meter per second. And like this, as the velocity increases, the number of molecules increase. At a particular velocity, the number of molecules or fraction of molecules, that is called a fraction of molecules, will be maximum. Out of 100 molecules, suppose the 50 molecules possess a particular velocity. Velocity is not maximum. Number of molecules or fraction of molecules will be maximum. So, out of suppose 40, 100, out of 100 students, 40 out of 100 molecules, 40 molecules possess 50 meter per second. This velocity is the most probable velocity. The velocity possessed by maximum fraction of molecules, the velocity possessed by maximum number of molecules is a most probable velocity. Or further increase in velocity, the number of molecules will decrease or fraction of molecules will decrease. Right? If you again increase the velocity, then automatically number of molecules will decrease gradually. And at a highest velocity, the number of molecules or the fraction of molecules will be less. Okay, so we can draw a graph. We can draw a graph. Delta N by N velocity. This is velocity. So graph will like this. Now see, at this point, the velocity is 0. This point is 0, 0. Max, right? Velocity 0, number of molecules or fraction of molecules will be 0. Suppose at this point, the velocity is this, number of molecules is this. This velocity is possessed by this number of molecules. Now on further increase in velocity, the number of molecules increase. At this point, velocity is this, molecules will be this. As the velocity increases, the number of molecules increase, or the fraction of molecules increase. Now see, at this point, this is the peak of the curve. At this point, this is the maximum number of molecules, highest number of molecules possess which velocity? Maximum. No, maximum. This velocity is not maximum. Velocity is not a maximum, but this velocity is possessed by maximum number of molecules. This velocity is possessed by maximum number of molecules. Velocity is not maximum. Okay, understood? The number of molecules possessing this velocity is maximum. Or further increase in velocity, suppose again at this point C, now velocity increases from this to this, the number of molecules decreases from this to this. Again at this point, the velocity again increases, the number of molecules decreases. But this curve does not touch the velocity axis, because there is no upper limit of velocity of molecule. There is no upper limit of velocity of molecule. Maximum velocity may be whatever may be maximum, but it does not exceed the velocity of light. Beyond velocity of light, the maximum it cannot be predicted. The velocity may be highest, may be whatever may be highest, but velocity below the velocity of light. The molecular velocity is below the velocity of light. Okay, understood? Now, लिख दो पूरा
एडिटिंग कर दो।
हाँ एडिटिंग कर दो दूसरा कर दो इटा ग्राफ करो डेल्टा एन बाई एन है बाई इटा वेलोसिटी आउट ड्रॉ करो
क्लाइमेक्स ऑफ मेरा मूवी
ग्राफ डेल्टा एन बाई एन प्लस वेलोसिटी
सबके भीतर पकड़ी सबके
पॉज कर दो पॉज कर दे
कोटा का दिवस में
क्या क्या करो बोले क्या डाक्टर भी जाएगा क्या
पॉज
टोटल वीडियोटा कर दो जो खाता में काट दो एकाथरे
मौजे
अच्छा,
मौजे
बहुत बड़ा
पॉज
है।
कर दे
और क्या करो डेल्टा एन बाई एन वेलोसिटी
ना पॉज कर दो
कर दो
पहुंच गए तो लोग ये
ऑडियो वाली बात बोतल था ये
Now, my dear students, now see a gas consists of a large number of molecules. So many molecules are present in a gas, and you know from kinetic theory of gases, kinetic model of gases, the velocity of molecules are different, or the molecules travel in different directions with different velocities. Different velocities in different directions. At a particular temperature, so long as temperature is constant or temperature is definite, the molecules travel with a definite velocity. The velocity of the molecules will be different for different molecules. Some molecules travel with a slow speed, slow velocity. Some certain molecules travel with a moderate velocity. The many molecules travel in average speed, and less number of molecules, less a fraction of molecules possess highest velocity. So Maxwell and Boltzmann decided or concluded to distribute the velocities among the molecules, and the nature of the curve distribution of velocity is like this, and from this curve it is concluded that at this point the location or point is 0 0. That means the fraction of molecules possessing zero velocity is 0. Fraction of molecules possessing zero velocity is 0. That means no molecule is in zero velocity or are in moving position or moving situation. No molecule is static. So it is concluded that the fraction of molecules possessing zero velocity is 0. Now see, as velocity increases or moving in this direction, as velocity, suppose this point velocity is this and number of molecules will be this. At this point velocity increases from this to this, the number of molecules increases from this to this. At this point what happens? The number of molecules will be maximum and the velocity possessed by molecule. So alpha, or we can say most probable velocity. Most probable velocity is possessed by maximum fraction of molecule. That means the fraction of molecules possessing the maximum molecules possessing a particular velocity, that is called the most probable velocity. or in other words, the velocity possessed by the maximum fractional molecules. The velocity possessed by the maximum fractional molecules is known as the most probable velocity. Or further increase in velocity, what will happen? The number of molecules or fraction of molecules gradually decrease. As velocity increases, or further increase in velocity, the fraction of molecules decrease. But the curve does not touch the velocity axis. It does not touch the velocity axis because there is no definite upper limit of velocity of molecules. The highest value may be whatever may be, the highest value whatever may be, there is no limitation. But the velocity of the molecule does not exceed the velocity of light. It does not exceed the velocity of light. So this is the conclusion. This is the about the Boltzmann distribution of molecular velocity. So now come to types of molecular velocity. Now see types of molecular velocity. Types of molecular velocity. Now start number one. Most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. Now, the velocity possessed by maximum fraction of molecules. The velocity possessed by maximum fraction of molecules is known as most probable velocity. The velocity possessed by maximum fraction of molecules is known as most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. So UMP, most probable velocity, 2RT by M, root over 2RT by M, root over. Number 2, average velocity. Average velocity UAV. It is the average of velocities. It is the average of velocities possessed by average of velocity possessed by the molecules of a gas at a given temperature. Okay, so U average equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus dot by m. Now u average equal to 80 RT by pi m. The root over 80 RT by pi m the root over. Okay. Now third, number 3, root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity. URMS. URMS. Root mean square velocity. Okay. Root mean square velocity. It is the square root of arithmetic mean of squares of velocities possessed by the molecules of a gas. Molecules of a gas at a given temperature. So URMS is equal to URMS root mean square velocity or root mean square speed v1 square plus of v2 square plus of v3 square by n root 2. That means v1 is the velocity possessed by first molecule, v2 is the velocity possessed by second molecule, v3 is the velocity possessed by third molecule, like this and so on by n. So this is the arithmetic mean or average. Arithmetic mean or average of the squares of velocities. Squares of velocities. That means the velocity possessed by a particular molecule, first molecule, second molecule, third molecule, we are taking square of these values. Then arithmetic mean is found out, then square root over. So square root of arithmetic mean of squares of velocities. This is root mean means average square velocities. So this is URMS equal to 3RT by m root over of square root of 3RT by m. Kind of.
पहुंच कर दी
Hello. Now, what is the relation? Relationship. U empty most probable velocity is equal to U average is equal to U RMS. Okay, equal to 2RT by m square root 80RT by pi m square root is to 3RT by m square root. Now see, RT by m will be cancelled out. Now see the ratio. RT by m will be cancelled out. Now see, root 2 is equal to 8 by pi square root of 8 by pi is to square root of 3. Now see 1 is equal to how much? 2 root 2 pi root over pi root 2 is equal to root 3 by root 2. Root 3 by root 2. Relationship between most probable velocity, average velocity, RMS velocity. So most probable velocity 2RT by m, root over 2RT by m is equal to square root of 8RT by pi m is equal to square root of 3RT by m. Now root 2 is equal to RT by m, square root of RT by m is cancelled out. Root 2 is equal to square root of 8 by pi is equal to square root of 3. Now divide each by root 2. So 1 is equal to 2 root 2 by square root of pi square root over 2 is equal to square root over 3 by square root over 2. Now it is 1 is equal to 2 by square root of pi is equal to root 3 by root 2. So most probable velocity is to average velocity is to RMS velocity equal to 1 is to 1.128 is to 1.224. Now see what is the relationship between average velocity and RMS velocity. Average velocity equal to 0.921, 0.92, average velocity equal to 0.921 into
URMS.
RMS velocity. URMS. So average velocity is equal to 0.921 into root mean square velocity. Similarly, now see most probable velocity is equal to 0.886 into average velocity. Now see most probable velocity is equal to 0.816 into RMS velocity. Root mean square velocity. This is the relationship among the different molecular velocities. Now see what is the effect of temperature. Another thing. Now see now see what is the order? Root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity greater than average velocity greater than most probable velocity. So root mean square velocity is the maximum. Most probable velocity is the minimum. The average velocity is in between RMS velocity and most probable velocity. In next class, I can discuss about the effect of temperature on the molecular velocity. Okay.